A Shoo-In, unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, a shoo-in. What does it mean? How is it used? And where does it come from? Let's dive in and find out together. The phrase, a shoo-in, is used to describe a person or thing that is expected to win easily or is guaranteed success. For example, if a soccer team is playing really well throughout the season, you might say they are a shoo-in to win the championship. It's important to note that the correct spelling is shoo-in, not shoo-in. The term originates from the world of horse racing, where a shoo-in was a horse that was sure to win, sometimes because the other races were fixed. The shoo part comes from the idea of shooing, or urging forward, the horse to victory. Now that we understand what a shoo-in means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. 1. With her exceptional skills and experience, Jane is a shoo-in for the manager position. 2. Given their undefeated record this season, the team is considered a shoo-in for the championship. 3. His groundbreaking research has made him a shoo-in for the Science Award. In each of these examples, a shoo-in is used to describe someone or something that is very likely to succeed or win. A common mistake people make is spelling it as a shoo-in instead of a shoo-in. Remember, the correct spelling reflects the phrase's origin in horse racing and the idea of urging a horse to victory. Another mistake is using a shoo-in to describe something that has already happened. A shoo-in should be used to talk about future events that are very likely to happen, not past events. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, a shoo-in. Remember, it's used to describe someone or something that is expected to succeed or win easily. And it's spelled S-H-O-O-N. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. Until next time, keep practicing your English and stay curious.